Hi, boys and girls. This is Miss Simon. Hope you're doing well. Are you ready for an all about the number? I hope so. Let's dig right in and get started. All right, look at our number. It's right here in the purple box. Do you see it? What is our number for today? Good job, Parker. Did someone from Miss Ayler's class say it too? I hope so. Can we build 13 on our 10 frames? How many 10 frames will it take? Can we get 13 all in one 10 frame? I hope I heard someone from Miss Jackson class say, no, you'll need two, Miss Simon. Let's find out. 1, count with me, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. One whole 10 frame makes 10, but we need more, right? What's after 10? 11, 12, and one more is 13. Beautiful, boys and girls. We built 13 on the 10 frame. You'll notice I have the word name 13 over here. What two letters does 13 start with? We talked about that. TH, good. Th, as in thumb, right? The TH sound, and that, and those, and good job. So maybe you can think of some more TH words today. All right, let's get back to math. If we're at 13, let me ask you a question. What would one more be? What is one more than 13? I'll give you a second to tell me. One more than 13 is... Did I hear Jelani or Cree or Sophia? Did I hear London or Eben? Anybody from Miss Whalen's class? If I put one... Oh, let me take that back. Doesn't like that for some reason. I'll put one more there. I had 13. I added one more. What did you say that was? Who can tell me? What is that? Yes, 14. One more than 13 is 14. Let's count to be sure. But hey, let's don't count this. I mean, let's count it, but let's just say it. The whole thing is filled, so it's how many? 10. So let's start there. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Beautiful. Now, come down here on our number line. I'm going to take this one away real quick. So we're back to 13, okay? Because we're working with 13. Your number is 13. Can you find 13 down here on the number line? Find 13. Just take your finger and put it on 13. I'm waiting. Anybody from Miss Whalen's class? Here, Miss Frank's class? Miss Evans' class? Evan? All right, there's 13. So this time, what would one less be? One less than 13. What would that be? One less than 13. I'll give you a second to tell me. If you're not sure, go back up here and take one off. One less. Take one off. Now count it and see. What was one less? Go ahead and count it. I'll give you a second to count it. If you need help, if you're not sure, you can always use a 10 frame or you can count. But which way are you going to count? Forwards or backwards? Or use a number line. There's so many ways that you can get help finding an answer. One less than 13 is, yes, 12. And look up here, you see 10, 11, 12. Or if you look at your number line, here we are at 13. One less means you're going to go backwards. Yes, 13, 12. Before you say before 13 is 12, you're going to go backwards. You can see it up here too. 13, go back one is 12. So we have the numbers 12, 13, 14 there. All right, let's do one last thing before we go today, boys and girls. I've made the number down here. Let's count it. Make sure we have 13. You ready? Count with me. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and one more than 12 is 13. Beautiful. Now look just inside this box. I know you see these over here, but just ignore them. Look just inside the black rectangle. Do you see a pattern? Do you see a pattern? A pattern is something that repeats. What is the pattern? Good job. I hope someone said blue triangle, red circle, red circle. 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 Blue triangle. What would be next? Yes, red circle. What would be after that? Yes, red circle. What would be after that? Yes, blue triangle. Then what? Red circle, then what? Yes. Excellent. Now let me ask you real quick, what is the core? Remember, the core is a word we use to describe the part that keeps repeating over and over again. So what is the little part that you keep saying over and over and over again? What's the core? Yes. Blue triangle, red circle, red circle. That's the core right there. That's what we keep repeating. Now, can you give me that in a letter combination? Is it an AB pattern, an ABC pattern, an AABB pattern? What kind of pattern is it? Okay, we have A for this one thing, it's blue triangle. Then we switch to something else, so we need to call that a different letter, B. This is the same thing, so we call that B. Oh, it repeats, so it's A, B, B. A, B, B, an ABB pattern. Excellent. Hey, have yourselves an awesome day. Maybe you can find 13 pennies or go find 13 rocks outside. It's going to be a pretty day. Get out there and enjoy some of the day. Do some of the work in your packet. You have a 13 number in the packet for today. So make sure you get that done. Hey, love you guys. See you soon.